Kasulong Press Club rengkat kerja trailer berkata DIPR kalau pelong ia kejeng rakhi ia kan National Press Day haka kan rotarik unai wing arajar arhuai. Ia kan kejeng rakhi la prido menteri katna Pathai Khubor jangka soka jela u James K Sangma haka bila dalang uba titas khan uba UCM jangka KHDC rengkat beru bagilar Pathai Khubor. Komisi Bentaban pelong ia kan kejeng rakhi la pelong ia ka panel discussion dan kejeng ia phaliu jungbut haroga team ka balabu da ka Press Council of India ka baong who is not afraid of the media. Dan ini mana Tieng ye kila Pathai Khubor. Uba Vivan Kynta besi menta kemuwe ni ke panelis ulong ru unong sayang ke joko por ulong bakiri upai ba bakiri manan Kim Tieng Satya ye kila Pathai Khubor na bakiri kami ke jarap jongki. Kabagi Tieng ye kila Pathai Khubor ke tangki Riew san Pathai kam tam e kitu kibri ke bakawan buri e ke jing sisa dan kitu kibri ke balamir ke kam Bamsap ke joko por wong war ke Kashari ke Tieng ye kila Pathai Khubor.
Who are in the grassroots, they are not afraid of the media. But exactly who's afraid of the media? If you go to the colonial time history, you will notice that that it is the government, the political class, like what Bapol has commented, and certain sections of the bureaucracy who are afraid of the media. Till today, we'll notice that there are so many legislation, one way or the other, trying to gag the press, gag the media, till today. And if you look at judicial proceedings also, from time and again, we have this notion that on the request of the government council, that the press must be gagged. They must not be allowed to publish certain information which the public would like to know. Recently, in 2015, there was a gagging order on the prayer of the Director General of Police of Meghalaya that the demand or the call for hartal or ban by any organization should not be allowed to be published in the press. According to me, I feel that that fear is unfounded. We, the citizens of this country, have got the right to know. I will go back to Kerala High Court. It has a rule out. It has passed a judgment saying that the prayer of the government to gag the press in the event there is a call for ban or hartal is not constitutional. We, the citizen, have got a right to know. So what I'm trying to say here is this. In short, that it is the government, the political class, and sometimes I have to admit it's the court who are afraid of the media. They are afraid that there will be, especially the court, are afraid that there will be misinformation, there will be misinterpretation of judgments. It is for that reason we say that who's not afraid of the media? Here they captioned, I will say it's somehow correct to the extent that the political class, the government, if they want to avoid transparency, if you want to hide something, with due respect to my colleagues, friends, politicians, the corrupt politicians are always afraid of the media. I've been told by my daughter, in fact, who's here, my colleagues, they said, please don't be controversial in your speech. I'm trying to control myself, but somehow there's a leakage of revenue, like they used to say. There's some sort of leakage. So, with due respect, I have to say that the common man is not afraid of the media, except few classes, especially the government, who wants to avoid information to be percolated to the ordinary citizen.